I am Dr. Lakshmi, Minimal Access and Bariatric Surgeon, Global Hospitals, Hyderabad. Today we will talk about hernias. What is hernia? Hernia is actually a protrusion of the intestines through a gap in the abdominal musculature. And why does this gap happen? Either it is inherent muscle weakness, that certain weak points in the abdomen give way and there is a defect through which the intestines protrude, or maybe there is a previous surgery or a scar which is a weak area in the body, and over time for some people the weak area goes apart and forms a gap in the muscle through which the intestines protrude. What is alarming and why should hernia be treated is that sometimes these intestines have a chance to get twisted on themselves, or what we call strangulation, and at that time the intestines get badly damaged, and that may cause lot of problem to the patient and they need to be repaired as an emergency. So that's why you never leave a hernia containing intestines to just stay as it is. You need to treat it surgically, withdraw the intestines which have gone into the muscle gap, and then put a mesh on it to prevent further more intestines going into the hernia gap. So that is called mesh repair of hernia, and the hernia repair can be done either by the traditional open method or the minimal invasive method. The advantage of getting a hernia done minimal invasive is there is very small scars, less pain and less wound complications, which normally can happen when you are doing any surgery the open way. So if you do the surgery the minimal invasive or the laparoscopy way, then the wound complications are less and less pain, and you can put in a bigger mesh and less chances of the mesh getting infected because the mesh is not exposed to the skin. So the patient can go back to work early, and the recurrence rates which normally happen if the hernia is not done properly is very minimal when done the minimal access method. The hernia could be ventral hernia, which can happen at the umbilicus or any part of the abdominal wall, or could be a incisional hernia happening through any of the scars over the abdomen wall, or could be in the groin region, what we call the inguinal hernias. But any of these hernias have to be always treated surgically. There is no medical treatment for hernias, and always whenever a hernia is detected, it is better to get it repaired as early as possible rather than wait for complications such as the intestine getting damaged then going for a repair, because repair of a hernia in infected or emergency situation is not good, and they always end up with a recurrent hernia.